Hello and welcome to our channel. We will be learning phonics. In this video, we will learn the sound of the letter R. The sound of the letter R is R. R sound. Rat. R-A-T. Rat. R sound. Rude. R-O-O-T. Root. Sound of the letter R is R. Rope. R-O-P-E. Rope. Rose. R-O-S-E. Rose. The R sound. Rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Sound of the letter R is R. Robin. R-O-B-I-N. Robin. R sound. Reindeer. R-E-I-N-D-E-E-R. Reindeer. Raccoon. R-A-C-C-O-O-N. Raccoon. Recycle. R-E-C-Y-C-L-E. Recycle. R-A-P. Rap. R-U-N. Run. R-O-T. Rot. R-I-N-G. Ring. R-O-O-M. Room. R-H-I-N-O. Rhino. R-A-I-N-B-O-W. Rainbow. Rap. Run. Rot. Ring. Room. Rhino. Rainbow. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.